Hey everyone, today, we're diving into the world of Nokia, a brand that has earned the trust of millions worldwide. If you're looking for an awesome 5G smartphone in the mid-budget range, this one might just blow your mind. We're talking about a smartphone that packs a jaw-dropping 200 megapixel DSLR level camera, and a massive 8500 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right. This is the Nokia McLaren Pro Lite 5G, and trust me, this phone is a game changer. If you're excited to know more, stick around till the end, because we're revealing all the leaked features, price, and launch details of this beast. Let's start. Features of the Nokia McLaren Pro Lite 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. This phone comes with a stunning 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with 4K resolution. But that's not all. It also boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate, and a 240 Hz touch sampling rate, making it buttery smooth for gaming and scrolling. Plus, it's equipped with an in-display fingerprint sensor, Gorilla Glass armor for durability, and an IP69 rating for water and dust resistance. This phone is built to last. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Nokia McLaren Pro Lite 5G features a triple camera setup. The star of the show is the 200 megapixel primary camera, with OIS support for ultra-sharp, shake-free photos. And guess what? It doesn't stop there. There are two additional cameras to complement the main shooter. For selfie lovers, there's a 50 megapixel front camera that's ready to capture your best angles in stunning detail. Processor. Under the hood, this phone is a beast. It's powered by Qualcomm's most powerful mobile processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, this phone can handle it all with ease. And for software, it runs on the latest Android 15 operating system, ensuring a smooth and seamless user experience. Battery backup. Battery life is a major highlight of this smartphone. It packs a massive 8500 mAh battery, which means you can go all day without worrying about charging. And when you do need to recharge, the 120-watt fast charging support, with the USB Type-C port will get you back to 100% in no time. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. While the official pricing hasn't been confirmed yet, rumors suggest that the Nokia McLaren Pro Lite 5G will be priced around $800. As for the launch date, there's no official announcement yet, but stay tuned because this phone is expected to make waves soon.